Alrighty, welcome back to the Battle Cats.
You're stupid!
Cats, it's not a freaking head on the water.
Socket. I got bored as hell and started to play Bop It. Kicked my uncle in the balls, yeah, I'm Batman. I just ate a protein bar out of a trash can. Fought a cripple, man, that dude really lacked hands. Stripper shitted on me when she gave me a lap dance.
By the way, I'm trying to get to anarchist level because bro threw from the little Uber man. Holy shit, is that a freaking SCP? Go castaway cat, go castaway cat. I gotta lock in for this one. Now, I don't see any balls here, so is that what Valkyrie Cat evolves into? Holy shit, I need that. And I'm dead. And I'm dead again.
You stupid!
And I'm... Alright, final attempt. You gotta kill this bitch for once. Let's go! Holy shit! Castaway carry. Oh my god, I'm screaming out Boba Tea balls.
Socket. I got bored as hell and started to play Bop It. Kicked my uncle in the balls, yeah, I'm Batman. I just ate a protein bar out of a trash can. Fought a cripple, man, that dude really lacked hands. Stripper shitted on me when she gave me a lap dance.
Oh my gosh, that boss fight took so long. Alright, let's test out. Only Valkyrie Cat. Let's send her out and... Oh, that dress looks amazing, I'm gonna bust. She has freeze too? Oh my god. Alright, try me Bun Bun. Yeah, get your ass clapped again. Wait, that sounds kinda gay. Wait. Was the cat food worth it? No. Did I regret everything? Yes.